Here's how you can make outline effect in After Effects. This is our clip. Just right-click and select Pre-Compose. Now name it whatever you want. Also choose the Move All Attributes option and click OK. After this, just select your clip and press Ctrl+D to duplicate it. Now head over to this Effects and Presets and search for S-Edge Detect. Here it is. Just drag and drop it onto the first layer. You can see that an edge effect has been applied. Now from Effect Controls, go to this Effect section and change the RGB edges to mono edges. Now again, go to Effects, search for Deep Glow, drag and drop this effect onto the first layer. Then search for S-Gradient Multi, also apply it to the first layer. Then, in Effect Controls, scroll to this Combine option, open this drop-down menu, and choose Overlay. You can change these colors according to your preference. Now we need to press this Toggle switches to turn on the mode options. Then select the top layer to screen. Then select the first layer and press T and then Shift+S to bring up the scale and opacity. Also, turn these on by clicking the stopwatch icons. Then just find the moment where the effect should happen and move the keyframes to exactly that moment. Now move one frame back and set the opacity from here to 0%. Now we don't have any effect until the selected moment. Now scroll all the way to the end of the clip and set the scale to 150%. Also, set the opacity to 0. Now we can see the outline effect has been created.